हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल श्वेता's पैशन। आज मैं आपको लेके चलूँगी श्वेता की होम स्कूलिंग सेशन में। आप तैयार हैं? लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है फोनिक साउंड्स, जो कि हम A to Z तक पूरा करेंगे। वॉवल्स और 3 लेटर वर्ड्स। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द वीडियो। तो हम यहाँ पे सारे अल्फ़ाबेट्स लिखेंगे। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द फोनिक साउंड। आज मेरे साथ मेरी बेटी है, शी स्टडीज़ इन प्रेप क्लास, तो वो हमको हेल्प करेगी विद द आंसर्स, सो दैट हमें पता चले कि बच्चों को आइडियली हमें किस तरीके से सिखाना चाहिए फोनिक साउंड्स, वॉवल्स और वर्ड्स वगैरह, कि उनके लिए ये सीखना इजी हो जाए। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। शनाया, I would like you to tell me all the phonic sounds for each alphabets, okay? First of all, मुझे बताओ शनाया, हमारा कितने alphabets होते हैं टोटल?
26.
Okay, very good. So we'll start with the phonic sound for each alphabets.
A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W,
W is ver,
X, Y, Z.
very good Shanaya. So now we'll start with the vowels. So Shanaya, tell me what are the vowels we have in all the alphabets?
A, E, I, O, U.
वेरी गुड। वॉवल्स अगर होता है A, E, I, O, U, तो शनाया आप मुझे ये बताओ कि वॉवल्स के अलावा जो अल्फ़ाबेट्स होते हैं उनको क्या कहते हैं?
Consonants.
वेरी गुड। हमारे पास हैं टोटल 5 वॉवल्स एंड 21 कॉन्सोनेंट्स, ओके। तो जैसे कि अभी आपने सीखा कि हमारे वॉवल्स होते हैं A, E, I, O, U, यानी कि 5 अक्षर होते हैं वॉवल्स, एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द 21 को कहते हैं कॉन्सोनेंट्स। क्या कहते हैं? कॉन्सोनेंट्स। वेरी गुड। अभी हम स्टार्ट करेंगे विद द फोनिक साउंड्स वर्ड्स। 3 लेटर वर्ड्स हम लर्न करेंगे, जो कि आपके लिए बहुत इजी हो जाएगा ये प्रोसेस से। अगर आप कोई भी वर्ड्स लर्न करेंगे तो फोनिक साउंड यूज़ करके आप इजीली इन वर्ड्स को फॉर्म कर सकते हैं। आइए देखें उसको कैसे करेंगे हम। अब हम सीखेंगे फोनिक साउंड्स यूज़ करके कैसे वर्ड्स फॉर्म करा जाता है। फर्स्ट वन दैट विल लर्न इज़ AD। यहाँ पे मैं ऐड करूँगी A + D = AD। शनाया आप मुझे बताइए, अगर हम A + D को जोड़ के बनाते हैं तो what does this sound like?
Add.
What is the phonic sound of A?
A.
What is the phonic sound of D?
The.
Very good. Then what would it sound like?
Add.
Very good शनाया। ऐड से रिलेटेड हम वर्ड बनाएंगे, तो हाउ विल इट साउंड आप मुझे बताइएगा। शनाया आप मुझे बताइए, ये मैंने क्या लिखा है? What is the phonic sound of S?
Sir.
And if you add AD to it, how will you pronounce it?
Sad.
What is the phonic sound of M, Shania?
Ma.
And how will you read this out?
Mad.
Very good. Okay, let's form the second word. So use the phonic sound A plus G. So Shania, what is the phonic sound of A?
A.
What is the phonic sound of G?
Go.
So when we add this together, it's become AG. What is the phonic sound of AG, Shania?
Add.
Very good. So we'll form a word out of it. So if we write BAG, what is the phonic sound of B, Shania?
B.
How will you pronounce this word? By adding AG to B, B.
Add.
Very good. And few more words that we'll learn. TAG. What is the phonic sound of T?
T.
So when we add AG to T, what will it sound like?
Dad.
Very good. So let's do the third one. So the third one is A plus M. So Shania, what is the phonic sound of A again?
A.
What is the phonic sound of M?
Ma.
So when we add both the things, it sounds like
A.
A and M sounds like.
M.
Okay, good. So we'll make a word out of it. So when we write JAM, what does this word sound like? What is the phonic sound of J?
J.
So how will you pronounce this word?
Jam.
Very good. So let's do the fourth one. Fourth one would be A plus N. So when we write A plus N, it becomes AN. So what is again the phonic sound of A is?
A.
What is the phonic sound of N?
No.
So when we add this together, it becomes AN. How does it sound like?
N.
Very good. So we'll make a word out of it. CAN. So what is the phonic sound of C, Shania?
Go.
So when we add AN to it, how will it sound like? Read this word.
Can.
Very good. We'll make another word out of it. What is the phonic sound of P, Shania?
P.
Very good. So read this out.
Pan.
Very good. Let's get back to the fifth one. Fifth one would be A plus T. When we add it, it becomes AT. So what is the phonic sound of A again, Shania?
A.
What is the phonic sound of T?
T.
Very good. So how does this sound like AT together?
At.
So let's make a word out of it. If we add C to it, what is the phonic sound of C, Shania?
Go.
So how will you read this out?
Cat.
Very good. Let's make another word out of it. What is the phonic sound of M, Shania?
No.
How will you read this word?
Mat.
Good job. Next is A plus R. So again, what is the phonic sound of A?
A.
What is the phonic sound of R?
Ro.
Very good. So when we combine this together, what is the phonic sound of AR?
R.
Good job. So let's make a word out of it. When we write CAR, what is the phonic sound of C?
Go.
So how will you read this word?
Cat.
No, Shania, this is not care. Again, kids always make this mistake. Even if they know the phonic sound of AR, while reading they make such silly mistakes. So we need to rectify these kind of mistakes by helping them learn this phonic sound in the right way. So let's do it again, Shania. A, R, R. When we write it together, it becomes AR. That is R, not air. Okay. So we'll read this word as car. What will we read this?
Cat.
Good job. So I'll make another word and you need to read that out as well. So what would this word be? This is F. So F sounds like
Four.
huh. So how will you read this out?
Far.
So the last one is car and far, not care and fair. Okay. So let's revise the sixth one again, Shania. How do you read A?
A.
How do you read R?
R.
So when we combine both the things, what does it become? AR, how do you read it out?
R.
So when we make a word out of it, when I add C to it, what is the phonic sound of C?
Go.
So when we add AR to it, how do you read it?
Car.
How do you read the second one? When we add F to it, what is the phonic sound of F?
Four.
Very good. So how do you read this word?
Far.
Good job. So let's come to the last one, that is A plus P. So when we add A and P, it becomes AP. And what is the phonic sound of A, Shania? Again,
A.
what is the phonic sound of P?
Four.
When we add this, what does it sound like?
F.
So let's make a word out of it. If I add C to it, how do you read it out?
F.
Good job. When I add M to it, how do you read this word?
F.
Good job. So basically guys, my daughter, she is 4 years old and she was getting confused with A plus R. So like I said earlier, but rest of the thing she's pretty much clear. So you also have to see that what your kids are uh, not learning properly and you need to focus on that. Basically keep revising and they'll learn it very soon. Try this technique of adding it and writing a word out of it. So this way the phonic sound will really help them write words and learn the alphabets and words properly. To conclude the session, let me revise the things that we have read today. So today we have done phonic sounds, vowels, words. In phonic sounds we have learned all the phonic sounds of each alphabet separately. We have learned the vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U. There are total 5 vowels and the rest of the alphabets are called consonants. We have also learned the words, that is the 3-letter words using phonic sounds. A plus D makes it AD, that is A plus D makes it AD, and we make a word sad, mad. The second one is A plus G makes it AG, that is ag. We make a word bag, tag out of it. The third one is A plus M, that makes it am. We make a word out of it, that is jam. The fourth one is A plus an, making it an. We make a word out of it, that is can and pan. We make the fifth one as A plus T, that is AT, which sounds like at. We make a word out of it, that is cat, mat, rat. The sixth one is A plus R, that is sounds like R. We make a word out of it, that is card, far. The last one is A plus P, which sounds like AP, app. We make a word out of it, that is cap and map. I hope this complete session will be helpful for your kids to learn the phonic sounds and the words in the easiest possible manner. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. If you find this video useful, do hit the like button, and to subscribe to my channel, click on the red button below along with the bell. Thank you.